Hi, in this video we want to really take our learning to another level. Okay, so this time around we're talking about animating the media. So we have pictures, we have text, we have shapes. What are we going to do now? We need to animate the video so as to have a full-fledged video. Okay, so we have a picture. The picture is what we want to appear first on the slide. Okay, so you select the slide, then you go to the animations tab. This is the animation tabs at the top. After transition, you select that, and as you can see, it is none, which means this has not been animated before. Okay, so you look for the different types of animation. We have different styles of animation. You can click this button, this one pointing down, and you see the different types. There are ones that are specific for entrance, there's another one that is specific for emphasis, and this one is for exit. Okay, so but in this case I think we're talking about entrance, so let us just pick one of the options or one of the styles in the entrance types. Okay, so let's just say we want a simple animation fade. So you're going to see the preview. Did you see that? Good. So that's why it's going to come up. The essence of the animation is not just to animate all the media, but first the screen is going to be blank, then you'll be bringing all the media as you explain. You bring them in one after the other. Okay, that is the essence of the animation. Okay, so right now this is what is going to appear after the blank or empty slide. Good. So the next thing that is going to appear is the title. So you select the title. That should be the title should be the next thing that should appear on the stage. Okay, so let's bring in the title. This time around, let's just say float in. That's another style. Good. Then the next media that is coming in is the combination. This is a combination of the shape, which serve as a bullet point, and the text combination. Okay, so you bring this in. Let's just pick, let's say, fading. Yes, the fading style. After this comes up, you know that the next media is going to be this. Okay, so you select it, then you go choose the animation style that you want. Good. Then next is going to be this arrow that is pointing to this. So this you select, then you go choose the animation style. We still maintain fade. Okay, the reason why we're maintaining not too flashy or not too complex animation is just to keep the video as simple as possible. Okay, then the last media that we want to animate is this. So you select it, then you go, let's choose something at this time around. Let's say floating. Good, good, good. But that doesn't, it's like it's coming like this and it should show like this. Or let's just change it. You can change it by just selecting it, then you go back to choose another font that you want. Let's just say let it appear. I think that will be most appropriate. Good. So now let us see what that looks like. Mind you, all these are going to show. Maybe I should delete it. Let me delete this for now. Good. So now let us see how it's going to look like on the slideshow. So you click this, you select the slideshow, then we select the from beginning. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. You see the picture appeared, the font, you see that, and this comes up, and finally, okay, good. So that is how to animate the media that you have on your slide. Okay, good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.